Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a 2016 Chevy Malibu and upwards. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Could be your next car that I'm working on next. Alright, so you're going to need to remove this right here that hold the battery. So you need to remove this right here, and it's gonna be 10 millimeter. All right. So this is gonna be 10 millimeter. Take this up like this. This is unplugged line. So this you gotta unplug it from the So you gotta squeeze right here and lift it up on both sides, alright? And this will come up like this. Alright. Alright, now it's time to remove this plastic that that cover the battery. So you wanna go ahead and remove this right here. Get that like that. This one you wanna remove this right here. And there's another one over here on this side. You can push under here and remove it like that. Alright, and it will give you access to the terminal, which you're gonna remove with another 10 millimeter also. Alright, now you want to go ahead and remove the terminal. There's something back there. Gotta move it with a screwdriver. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna show it to you after I take it out. All right. So this is what it is right here. Right here, you gotta try to get a screwdriver between here and pull it out like that so you can lift this up. And this one, you just come off like that. Alright, you can go ahead and remove this right here, but you gotta unplug this and squeeze this down there and take this off. Alright, so you gotta squeeze this in. So if your hand can't get it like how I did it, you just use a screwdriver to get that off. Alright, you want to go ahead and lift this off. Alright, and now it's time to remove that right there that's holding the battery. Alright, and it's gonna be 13 millimeter. I'm gonna remove that. Try to keep it in one piece like that. Alright, so now you can go ahead and lift out the battery. Alright, and that's it. Alright, so you want to go ahead and get your new battery. Put it in. Alright. And this is the sliding over here. So you want to get this to hold the battery. Same way you take it out. Alright. So you want to get the plastic now. Put this over here. And go ahead and get this right here and lock it into place too. Alright, that's in place. Make sure you have this up so you don't lose it. So now what I'm gonna do is terminals. Terminal here. Tighten down those terminals, alright? 10 millimeter. Tight. Go ahead and put on this. Slide and slide. That's good. Now this, we're gonna put this on. You wanna hook it down here first, like that, so it's hooked, and then you lock this in here. You want to go ahead and put this right here and line up this part here, over here. Go ahead and line up all your screws. And that's it, guys. That's how you change your battery on a Chevy Malibu 2016 and up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Help me help you. See you next time. Alright.